Okay, YouTube, we are back. Another unboxing video here. This guy is a big guy. This is the Netgear, and this is the Nighthawk X4S AC2600 wireless modem router. So obviously, if you are looking to extend your network, something that's more gaming orientated, this is a gaming Wi-Fi router. And check what's the specs on this guy. It says extreme combined Wi-Fi speeds up to 2.53 gigabit per second, dual core 1.4 gigahertz processing, boost performance for gaming and streaming, 2-in-1. So it's a modem and also a Wi-Fi router as well. So again, you don't have to have a separate modem. Plug the modem into a router and then basically use this. This acts as both. So saves space as well, and also auto detection, universal DSL support. And then some other sort of stuff as well. Gigabyte either WAN ports has got on it, compatible with all these different sort of protocols, and works with literally all the sort of main ISPs, providers, Talk, BT, Infinity, Talk, Fiber, sort of stuff as well. So features about streaming and gaming sort of stuff is in the back here as well. So the multi-user, the MIMO, gives you faster speed, simultaneous connections up to 3 devices, so you don't use any sort of Wi-Fi signal. Quad stream Wi-Fi, so 4 streams per Wi-Fi band maximizes speed. Dynamic QoS, so obviously you got that as well. So lag-free gaming, smooth sort of streaming, more reliable connections as well with 4 high-performance Ethernet external antennas. Also you've got improved Wi-Fi coverage as well. USB 3.0 eSATA storage as well on the actual router, which is pretty cool as well. And also you can use it for with the DLNA ready server as well. Some mobile information about it as well. But yeah, I'm sure you can read that stuff online. Talking too much, let's just get the unboxing underway. Here's the box. I've got the router here, got a quick start guide here, and here's the router. I'm not going to show you the size because it does have a Wi-Fi admin password information as well, so don't really want to be showing that. But anyway, you have on the back of the router, you have your ports here for your antennas that you can plug into your antennas. You also have an LED indicator there as well, so you can turn on and turn off the LED indicator. A reset switch. You've got your 4 Ethernet ports, your Ethernet going in, and also you have your VDSL port there as well. Besides that goes there as well. So you've got an antenna that you can go put there. You've got an antenna that you can put there as well on either side. And on this side over here, you've got your eSATA as well, so you can plug in eSATA for external storage. And on the other side over here, you've got 2 USB 2.0 connectors as well. Inside the packaging, you've got your 2 and your 4 antennas in total. You've got a telephone cable, you've got Ethernet cable, you've got your microfilter which splits the telephone line and your modem, and then so you've got the power lead as well. So that essentially was it. That's what's inside the box. This is a quick unboxing of the Netgear X4S Nighthawk. I hope you enjoyed that video, and as always, this has been Ace. Like, subscribe, peace.